Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome to hashtag Deck the Year. This is October 24th when this is going up, but I'm recording it on October 9th. And this is for weeks 43 and 44, the 24th and the 31st. And I actually made these on a live stream with Martha Makes Art, but this is the hashtag Deck the Year. It's an open collaboration hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations. I will link her down below and also the hashtag, so be sure to check out everyone else's makes and Penny especially because she's the host. And you can post every week or you can post periodically or once a month, but for all the weeks. And I am working through, oh, and the object is to use a deck of cards or some kind of cards like flashcards or whatever. But if you're new here, I'm working through this deck of cards that my mother had, and we only have this cannot be right. I think I have some in a book already pulled out, I hope. So, because there's only 6 left in here and there's 2 months to go after this. So we'll see. Maybe I dropped some somewhere. Anyway, um, these are for Halloween and they are on playing cards, but I buried them with orange cardstock, which is pumpkin pie from Stampin' Up. And you can see it's 43 and 44. And this one has the orange cardstock on the front. And I used this stencil here, and I just used Memento Tuxedo Black and a little finger dauber to go through it. I kind of laid it at an angle. It sort of looks gauze. And forgive me, I don't know where this is from. It didn't have the label on. It's just like this, and it has a 2-2 on it. So if anybody knows, let me know if you have that too and know who the maker is. This is some ribbon from my stash, washi from my stash, washi from my stash. This is a scrap, this purple, that was left over from making some um, Halloween rosettes. And I made them also on the live on October 8th, but I shared them in a video on the 11th in my embellishments on the 11th, along with some other embellishments. So I hope you have seen that. But this was a leftover scrap that had a jaggy edge. I ended up covering up the jaggy edge. And these are leftover circles I had either die cut or punched out, excuse me, from for making those rosettes. And then this is material. It is so cute. It is this material. And I just cut the 2 smaller images out of a piece somewhere in here. I had quite a bit of this material. I won't have this much left, I think, after the weekend of the 12th and 13th because I'm going to be working on some projects and I think I'm going to use this for one of them, maybe 2 of them, because it's so cute. Little black cats peeking out of the jack-o'-lanterns, right? And here's a single black cat. So this one has the single and then this one has the double, which I'll go over this one in a minute. And then I just glued that down with Fabri-Tac. I got a little rough cut up here. And then these are just jemmies from in my Halloween bin stash, which is massive. So this one, I did the same thing. I put down orange cardstock, but then instead of stenciling, I found this vellum in my stash. And I thought, ooh, wouldn't that be good for Halloween? It's from Michael's Recollections, but I bought it ages and ages ago. I don't even know. Does it 2013 is on here, but I didn't start paper crafting until 2017. So sometime after 2017 and probably before 2020 because I wasn't going in stores most of the time in 2020 and 2021, so forth. So anyway, so I put that on top and I used Dollar Tree uh, double-sided tape and it worked fine to hold it down and didn't really show through. I put it all around the edges and a stripe through the middle because I figured it's mostly going to be covered up anyway. This is a washi tape. I think I also got that at Michael's, the one with the little kitty cats on, and pumpkins and such. And this was in these two Happy Halloweens, they were in a box of washi from Michael's, also from years ago. And I think I have more of this kitty washi tape going across under here. And then this, I think, was from Dollar Tree. And these little bits here, the leaves, are out of paper pumpkin leftovers called Hello Pumpkin from 2020. And then these are just the same gems that were in my stash. So those are my two for week 43 and 44, October 24th and October 31st. I hope I have the numbering right. And they are going in my book. My book. Ugh, sorry. I don't know what that's from. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I think I have, yeah, I have one more blank in here. So that would be 7 weeks. I'm missing some cards. Yikes. Anywho, this is the 24th, so that goes in here. And this is the 31st. And then this is the beginning of November, so this will be November 7th, and I'll have to see, okay, let me just look. 11/7, and then 14, 21, and 28. I think I'm missing 2 cards. Shoot. Well, I have other decks of cards. I'll just, because this will be the December 5th, 12th, and 19th. So actually I'm just missing 1 card. Huh, weird. Anyway, I'm getting there. I can take one out of another pack. I have a couple different packs of decks of cards. So yeah, getting there. Okay. Anyway, that's it. That's my sheet filled up, and then I just have, oh, there it is. I'm not missing any cards. Yay! I already put it in here for some reason. Week 46 for 11/14. So I'm good. I should just put them all in here and be done with it. And then I'll pull them out as I need them. So for November, I don't know what'll happen, if I'll do weekly or if I'll do them all like for the first week. So stay tuned. We shall see. I hope you enjoyed, and come back again soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Have a great week. Bye.